can download the latest version of Ollama. It's for Windows, Linux, or macOS. We will grab the Linux installation script and then we will run it. And it's gonna take a while. While we wait, just grab a cup of coffee or tea and then see you later. Alright, installation almost completed. Let me just type the password and then we'll be ready to install our large language model in our local machine. Let me just grab a model from the Ollama website. As you see, we can run Ollama because we have some commands on the screen inside our terminal, but I'll go back to the terminal in a second. In the meantime, let me just grab some models from the Ollama website and let's do it together. Okay, back to the Ollama website. On the main welcome page, we can click on the menu on the top and click on models. And then from here, we can choose from all the open source models that are available on the platform. It's fully open source, so everything is free. You just download the model that you want to run. Each model has different sizes, so you choose the one that is the most appropriate for your operative system and for your compute power. Because the large language model will run on your machine, so you will need at least some GPU power to speed things up a little bit. Otherwise, everything will be really slow. So let's pick one from here. We can just grab the Gemma from the Google DeepMind. So it's free, lightweight model, so it might run on most of the systems if you grab the 2B parameters. So it's the smallest version that you can grab, and you can run it using this command locally, Ollama run Gemma, 2B, and then otherwise we can just grab this one and paste it inside our console and start from there. So back inside our terminal, let's copy and paste the command that we just got from earlier. If you're wondering all these commands from where are coming from, I typed before Ollama to the terminal, and these are the commands that we can run after the installation of the Ollama. So Ollama run Gemma will start downloading the Gemma model, which is open source, which is free, which runs locally. So all the conversation you're doing with the model will stay on your computer. No third parties are involved. So all the information are private and just for your usage. I'll be back in a second as soon as this completes the download. Okay, the installation is almost completed, and we have downloaded the Gemma model from the Google DeepMind team, and just a couple of more seconds, and then we will be able to have a chat with our model locally straight from our terminal. But this is one way to use Ollama and one way to have a conversation with your model, of course, and there is much more to discover, and you will see it in the next lesson. So hi there, and how can I assist you today? This is the model that is having a conversation with us. We can ask questions, all the questions that we want, and the model is going to answer quite fast because I'm running an NVIDIA GPU card, so quite fast. Therefore, the answers come back quite quickly. But it might take more depending on the model that you're running. And yeah, let's have another chat with this model and see what we can achieve. So write a command line utility that what we want to do, like command line, a bash command line utility, a program to I don't know, maybe we could like not sure that I can like call, and I want to send a request to the Ollama server and use its API, so and return a response from one of the models that we have running locally. So let's see what it does. Wow, this is quite fast. So it's working on one of the implementation that we could like actually build. We might do that in the next video. We try this code and see if the script works, and we have a fun with it. So let me scroll a little bit and see what the model came up with. Yeah, this is quite impressive. I mean, we have big answer and a lot of stuff to read and work around. So in the next video, we will do just that. Maybe we will start from the dispatch script, or maybe we have another call using an API, so we can try the internal API from the Ollama server and see what we can achieve with that. So the main key things to remember is that everything I ask to the model, it stays locally. So everything is private, everything is on my machine. So it's kind of even a portable way to run AI, because you could install Ollama on a little computer or on a laptop or like an IoT device and bring it with you. So you will have your own AI assistant, which keeps everything in private but follows you around. This is going to be like very epic. Make sure to stay tuned. Leave a like, leave a comment if you have anything to say, and see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.